Earlier this year, in the month of March, just before the massive outbreak of coronavirus, my friend Dolly and I traveled to the beautiful Vietnam and the mystical Cambodia. Now, these countries are pretty amazing, and the best thing is, here with Indian rupees, you can feel like a millionaire. Our trip was a little too adventurous for so many reasons, including the timing of this trip. But in this series, I will be sharing with you my experience of traveling to Vietnam and Cambodia. So, shall we begin? Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Swati and I create travel videos. So in today's video, we are going to go to a place called Nin Binh, which is about 2 hours bus ride from Hanoi. Now this is a last minute plan for us because we went to book our day tour in Hanoi and the travel agent recommended that we also do Nin Binh because it's a very pretty place and only takes a day to explore. Now you can also go stay there, but for us we're just doing a day tour. So I think it should be really pretty. So now I'll go have some breakfast and then we'll head out.
It's not like me, this is usually easy.
Today I'm very happy we go go to Nin Binh Tour. Just now we got about 5 people. We go to Nin Binh.
Finally, we've reached Nin Binh. To be more precise, Tam Kok. This is the place where our boat tour is going to start. And if you are in Nin Binh, you've got to do a boat tour. They will take you to all of these different places through the river, and you can see the limestones popping out of the land. And also, Nin Binh is also known as the Halong Bay on land, and you will see why very soon. And one thing very interesting is that before Hanoi, Ninh Binh used to be the capital of Vietnam, of North Vietnam to be more precise. So yeah guys, now let's go and do the boat tour. It's a little hot here, like Hanoi was really cold, and in fact we didn't really expect it to be so cold, but today it seems to be a pleasant day and the sky is clear too, unlike in Halong Bay, so I'm quite excited about this. Start our boat tour. So we are 3 people, actually 4 people on this boat, Dolly and I. This is Sam from Canada. And here is the super skilled, what's your name?
My name
Tham. So here is the super skilled Tham, just check her out.
It's not like me, this is usually easy. Walking away and going home to my life so comfortable. There was something so different, like a wave you can crash in.
So now we have come to this place to have lunch, but before that some of us want to go cycling and just see around this area. So I think I will join them and I'll go for cycling. So let's go! Lu, which was the ancient capital of Vietnam. This was the capital back in the 10th and 11th century. It was picked as the capital by Emperor Li, who thought that this would be an ideal place to be the capital because there are these karst mountains which would act as defense. But now the capital is no longer here, as you all know. Now it's in Hanoi, and this place is about 90 kilometers from Hanoi. Now this has become a tourist attraction and people come here to see this. There are also like these temples, two main temples here, which we are going to go and see. Now we are in a temple. This is called Din Ting Huan, and it is dedicated to the king, also known as the hero. And guess who I have with me?
Yeah. Hello everybody. Welcome to the Ninh Tiên Hoang Temple.
Yeah, so
Yeah,
he's been our guide just today. And what's your name?
My name Tom. I'm a tour guide for Nin Binh Tour.
And what's your Vietnamese name?
My name Hung.
What does that mean in Vietnamese?
Vietnamese name my just mean hero.
Hero.
Yeah. Hello everybody. Welcome to the main temple dedicated for the hero in Vietnam. His name Ninh Tiên Hoang.
So it's not the same hero. It's not this hero.
Yeah. Hero is for the country here. Me, the hero for myself.
Here they can offer anything to the king. So I saw some vodka, beer, and cookies. So apparently, if they see this flag, then that means that in that temple they can pretty much offer anything and everything. Now we've come to this point called Mo Cap to go hiking to see the dragons. And apparently the views are also pretty good from here. So that's it. Here is the dragon. It's a little difficult to balance here, so I'm not going to try. And it's a lot crowded, so I got to move. So yeah, the view from here is pretty nice. And check out the view, guys.
It's not like me. This is usually easy. Walking away and going home.
That was the end of this tour. It was actually a good way to end this tour with a little bit of cardio. This would take you somewhere about 20 minutes. It took us 20 minutes with all the shooting and everything. But if you're fit enough, probably like 10 to 15 minutes is good enough. And if you're in Nin Binh, you should definitely do this trek. The views from here are really, really nice. More than the dragon, I really liked the views. So yeah, that's it. And I'll see you in a bit. Hey guys, so now we are back in Hanoi and in our room, and if you're curious why I'm so decked up, and this is Charlie.
Happy Women's Day, Swats.
Today happens to be Sunday, 8th of March, Women's Day, and Sheraton has very sweetly invited both of us for a very special dinner. So that's why we are so dressed up. We thought we should get our pretty faces and not our tired and exhausted faces. So guys, now we are going to go to Hemisphere. That's a restaurant here in Sheraton, Hanoi, for a nice dinner. And hopefully Dolly will find some veg food. That's been, I think, a struggle, a journey.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
But I'm kind of used to it now,
yeah,
to be honest.
yeah, and for everyone who says that I don't show any vegetarian food in my videos and everything, so guys, I completely apologize for that. Now I actually, because of my dear friend, I actually understand the struggle of vegetarians. Usually, like for me, because I eat all kinds of meat, for me it's quite easy to find food in other countries. But if you're a vegetarian and if you travel a lot, I truly understand the struggle. What you having?
I'm having some red wine and some pasta.
So that was a day, and this is how we ended it, with a glass of red wine and some good food. We did manage to find some really good vegetarian and non vegetarian food options. At the end of the day, when you're traveling, food really matters, right? I hope you enjoyed virtually traveling with us to Ninh Binh. If you haven't watched my other videos from Vietnam, then please do go and check them out. I'll see you very soon with another travel video. Till then, take care and bye bye.